I loved unboxing videos when I was little, so I'm doing a freaking unboxing video with slime. And no, I'm not a kid, but still. When I was little, I totally loved these videos. And I already opened it because I couldn't, honestly. At first, I like struggled. Honestly, these charms are very freaking adorable. I hate glitter. It always gets everywhere, and you can never get it out of your clothes and hair. Like, once you open glitter, it stays forever. But, you know what? It'll be worth it. Oh, seriously? These charms are so cute. Adorable. Okay. Crap, I might not be able to open this either. Oh, is it? Like, nope. I got it. I'm dumb. Oh, look, wait. Oh, shit, bruh. What is this? What is this? What is the point of this? Ugh. This does not feel good. Fun fact about me, I don't really like slime. Ugh, and it's glittery. Oh my god, the slime is glittery. So why do we have glitter? I mean, this looks wonderful. This looks like so much fun. Lord. And it's cold. Okay. I'm gonna get hair all over this. I have dog hair all over my desk. Okay, it is kind of pretty. I just don't like glitter. I used to love slime when I was little. I don't know what happened to me. Okay, I do like the way that sounds though. Ugh. Do you put the charms in the slime? These don't feel like slime charms though. But okay. Should I put them in after I mix the glitter in? Ugh. I don't know if you're allowed to show scissors on YouTube. I know you're not allowed to show knives, but like, I don't know if they make an exception. That's a lot of glitter. My sister would love this. My sister loves glitter. I don't know. I remember on Christmas. Yeah, let me do story times. Oh my gosh! See, I just put it right there. You saw me put it right there. And it's all over here. Like, what? Like, mix it in, I guess. But anyways, Christmas. My sister got slime. Well, it was more like sand slime. But, she got it. And she was like, open the glitter. And my aunt opened the glitter for her. And we got glitter all in our hairs, all over our clothes. There is still glitter on that outfit. My aunt still has glitter in her hair. But it is shimmery. It does not smell great though. I'm sure it's not supposed to, although it kind of smells like lotion. I don't know how to feel about that. Other glitter. Oh, it's little stars. I like that. Ugh. Should I do a scary story time? No, this is a kid's video. My brother's met Blippi before. My dad's met Mr. Beast. Well, I mean, he says he has. I don't really quite know if that's true. But someone was like, she made up random lies. Said her dad met Mr. Beast. Technically, I believe he did. I don't know, my dad could be lying. That wouldn't really quite be my lie, more so his. But I don't know, I believe him. Mr. Beast lives close to where we live, so like, I wouldn't be surprised. I've actually been to the state where Mr. Beast lives before, so I wouldn't be that surprised, but who knows. I'm gonna get slime on my... It's not really sticky, I like that. Okay, now I guess we put the charms in. A little moon charm. I don't know what this is, but we'll put it in. And what are these little berries, I think? It says it's scented. And why did... I guess it kind of smells like cocoa butter. Oh, it is fairies. It's a sparkly fairy slime. That makes sense. I'm not smart. But you are. If you are not already, please like and subscribe. Goal to 3,000 subscribers. Nice. Then I guess mix it in. I don't know how this is playable after you mix all this random stuff in. Like now it's like hard and... Ugh. It just kind of breaks apart. Well, obviously, I mean, I'm pulling it. Ah! I don't know. I think I'm going to take the charms out. My doggy's crying in the background because she wants love. I'll love on her in a minute. I've been at the gym all day being healthy. My little sister is... I miss her. I think I get to see them tomorrow, though. We're going to my sister's friend's birthday party, who we found out I'm best friends with her brother. So it's like, well, that works. Also, we're doing an Easter egg hunt at the church, so that should be fun. Let me know, children, if y'all want more videos like this. And let me know what other types of videos y'all would like to see. I also do shorts. It's actually really pretty. Like, I was doing this as a joke, not to enjoy it. Like, just, you know. But I'm actually kind of enjoying this, which makes me laugh. I can't remember how I did this when I was a kid. Yeah, wow. So satisfying. Totally not sarcasm, by the way. I'm gonna go see what my grandmother thinks about it.